Hi, I'm Sam, and in this video I'm going to demo a BlackJack program I made and show you where you can view the code and how to play it. So let's begin. Right now I am running Linux, but this is actually a Windows program, but it works fine with Wine. So I'm going to go ahead and run it, and also you can get the code, you can get the whole package, view it, whatever, on github.com/sbosshart. And everything, well, most everything interesting as far as code goes is in the main.cpp file. So if you were to start out at my homepage, Sam Bosshart, just go to BlackJack, go to the source folder, and then it would be under main.cpp. So that's pretty much the meat and potatoes, and you can go look through the code if you like. Some things might seem a little strange at first. For example, we're doing suit modulus 4 equals 0, 1, 2 to figure out what the suit is, but there is actually a reason for this. This BlackJack program is using 4 decks, so technically you could have 4 aces of spades pop out in a single game. Now, chances are that's not going to happen, of course, but it is possible. So I'll go ahead and show you now the basics of this program. You start off with $100, and you can adjust your wager by, which is shown here, by clicking these buttons here. So and you can also click clear wager to put your wager to 0. And as it turns out, this program will let you play with a 0 wager, so you can play without betting any money. You can even bet more money than what you have. It actually is a little unrealistic in this manner, because when you go to a casino, there's obviously betting limits, and generally you can't bet money you don't have. So when you first start the game or at the end of a hand, you can always click next hand once you've set your wager to what you want it to be. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start the wager at $25. Okay, so we have the dealer showing a 3, we've got an 8, so in this case we really ought to hit. I'll stay. And so the dealer got 21. Oh well, let's go ahead and go next hand. And right here you'll see that our cash got deducted. We're still at a $25 wager. It keeps the wager you had before unless you clear the wager. So let's see here. Dealer's got 8 showing, so chances are that this might be a face card. And yeah, we better hit. So I'm going to hit. And we got 21 exactly. And the dealer, of course, doesn't hit because it's 17. So I'll go ahead and do next hand. Now we're back to what we started with, $100. I'm going to stay. And anyway, I'm thinking that in future versions I will do something about the winning and losing sounds and the art that it's using. I kind of was trying to go for humor here when I made it a few years back, but looking back on this, maybe maybe I could use something different in place of that. So we'll go ahead and play just a couple more rounds. And I was hoping to get a BlackJack so you could see what happens. Oh, well, this is what happens when the dealer gets a BlackJack. Nothing really interesting, but I'm going to go ahead and type in a little cheat code here that will give me BlackJack the next hand. And if you want to know what the cheat codes are, they're in the source code. Normally I don't cheat on this, it's kind of pointless, but I don't know how many hands it's going to take for me to get a BlackJack, so this should deal me a BlackJack. So what happens is it shows you the same cards you have in your hand, you know, larger, displays some confetti in it, you know, has a little thing up here. So anyway, that's pretty much all there is to it. Let's see. I'll show you that you can go negative and it'll still let you keep playing. Here, I'll just purposely lose. Okay, so we should be negative 250 in the hole now. So yeah, we're negative 250, so we are in the hole. But I'm probably gonna win or push this round. Let's see. I win, so next hand and then 245. So in any case, it doesn't really matter what money you have, because positive or negative, it'll let you keep playing. The one caveat I have is that a friend of mine helped test this game, and she found, you know, she does software testing professionally, and she found that when you go like around 32,000, I believe it is, positive or negative, that because of the integer type, there's overflow and it causes the program to crash. So I think it was 32,000, but in any case, you know, this is just a simple, you know, BlackJack program, and you know, there's more things to be done. I had some code in here that lets you split your cards, and it was a while back, but I had it working for the most part, but then I discovered a bug with it and I just commented it all out. You know, so that's another thing I could probably put in. Insurance works, so most everything in standard BlackJack game works. Split does not at this point, but I do actually have code to handle it. It's just that right now it's commented out. Here it is. Handle splits. Let's see. Oh, I think the problem might have been there might have been a problem where the player could keep splitting it. Like if they had like, say, 2 queens, or you know, two face cards or whatever, and then they got a third one and they hit split on top of that. I don't remember exactly what the problem was, but the code is here, and there's a few things that I guess need to be changed, but that's something that can come later. So anyway, go ahead and feel free to check it out and have fun. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.